Well, good morning, guys. Oh my god, it's freezing. But it's time to make another update. And so we got here, I got my brand new car. This here is the last model of the Honda Fit in America. This here is a 2020 Honda Fit. It's the EX model. And of course my personal stickers on here, the Harley Davidson. You see me. Yeah, brand new tires, clean interior, new car smell. Oh, and it has a VTEC engine in there. And keyless entry. Oh my god, I'm freezing. It's like 40 something degrees outside in Georgia. But yeah. As you already know about the Pontiac I drove before. Sadly, it stopped working, and it was getting old. The timing belt chain came off of it. But, long story short, it's all being taken care of, and finally got me something reliable, and I kind of like it, and pretty cool or not, but I could do this now. Yep, all black cloth interior. Okay, I am so freezing. Okay, and the best thing is I don't have to put my key in the ignition. I can just do this. And that was a cold start, I'll tell you that. Whew. Okay. Let this baby warm up a bit. And of course it's telling me it's cold on here. The cold gauge is on here. Speaking of this, electronic gauges, how cool is that? And of course, okay, I don't need to know about that. Okay. And of course, radio station, everything. And better yet, I get voice assist. And it can connect to Android Auto / CarPlay on here. So, there's a plus. Oh my god, I'm freezing. I have not checked the temperature. Now you can see it's definitely cold, considering the fact that the blue light is on here. But yeah, no, but I can't speak because I'm gibbering. No warning lights. All there is just the seatbelt light and brake light. And once I open the door, it makes a chime. That's pretty cool. Oh. Okay, there we go. It's warming up a bit. And best part of me yet, there's a sunroof. And it has camera. Yeah, even when I don't press the button, I could just actually want to turn the signal. It shows the camera on the right side. And I can even press this button without even using a turn signal. How cool is that? Sorry, my hand shaked. Oh, that's probably the reason why the AC was on. That's much better. It's warming up a bit. But, yeah. So, yeah. 40 miles. Now that is brand new. And that car smell. Smells so good. Yes, I'm having overreaction. I'm still freezing. Because I was not expecting to be this cold. It feels like 38 degrees outside. So, yeah. But yeah, sorry about that long wait, guys. I've been saving up money. I've been working hard, and I finally got it. The last Honda Fit model. So, of course, and then the windows had to defrost. So, yeah, guys. And I will probably see you in the next one.